What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
We're playing basketball in the rain. I don't like it.
He don't like it. All right, Cody won somehow last week. Big deal. New series starting right now.
Still game of 5 or like?
We're playing to 10. One game. We're acting like it's a championship game. When are we playing more? We got to go up there and play Tripoli, dude. Hurry up, the camera's running. Come on. You got 24-second clock. 15, 12.
15.
Oh, Daddy.
15, 12.
I blew my first shot.
This is so funny. Already it's funny.
Hey, I wrote another book. The Solar System by Uranus. Hey, Adam, you.
Me and you can't score.
Get out of bounds! Yes! You don't have to push it out of bounds. Oh, over here.
Me and you can't score a basket.
Watch this. Look at this technique.
We can't score a basket.
Oh, man, if I knew it was going to slow it down. Right here, dude. Oh, the ball got wet. What that happened for? Right there. Oh, I'm scared of it. Oh, God. I'd rather hug him back. Come on, Alice.
Goo-goo.
Goo-goo. Hey, Google it.
My hands are feet.
Ah. Go ahead, free shot. Oh! Did you see that?
Fake out.
You're not getting those lucky shots. Out of bounds. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah, you're fake out though.
Oh yeah. Yes. No. Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Juana, you stink.
What about you?
You know what it is? A heavier ball. You got to put more oomph on it. Go ahead. Do an oomph shot. That was going to get stuffed so bad. Nice. Wow, you can give me the ball over and over.
Still nothing.
Yeah, I noticed. Whoa!
Oh no!
Boing. Uh-oh, fix that and I'll get this.
No, it's already.
Ah. Wait a minute.
Someone finally scored.
Sun's coming out
Yay!
next week.
Yeah. Sun's coming out. Wait, what? Ryan, it's coming.
Oh! I can't buy a shot. No! I got it. I got no. Short. Oops. Where you going, little boy?
I don't know where I'm.
Yeah! Say it.
I gotta put some more oomph on it.
Yeah, oomph. Little oomph. Yeah, nice. Oh, yeah, you go get it.
Oh, you know that one. That one. Wow. You want to fake out so I'm gonna. I know nothing to do.
Step over and yes!
And this.
Right in. Oh! Oh, way off. Come on. Oh.
My ball.
Well, it don't make, you can hardly, it blends right in.
Wow.
That's what happens when you don't take a bath. Uh-oh. No. Oh. Ooh, right in my wheelhouse. Yes. Oh, man, we know I'm great from here. How much you want to bet? Yeah, no bet. Ready? Oh my God, I hit the rim anyway.
$100 is mine.
Yeah, right. Monopoly money, I owe you 100.
What?
Oh, there's dog crap all over the ball.
Yummy.
I'll lick it off. Ready? Oh, yeah.
That's the fake out.
Yeah, I think you faked yourself out more than you faked.
Where are you going?
What the hell was that?
It's got an awful backward shot.
Uh-oh. That's what I know. Well, here, Allison. Go ahead, Cody shot. Look at that. Out of bounds? Yes!
Nothing's breathing.
It's probably fake.
I got more blood.
Oh, that's good. Moron.
That's confusing. I'm not bleeding.
You think I'm getting drier standing out here? Oh! Don't you shoot! Yes! See how I positioned the car this time?
Oh, my hand's bleeding a little.
Oh, big deal. Come on! Yeah, right.
Oh, really?
You don't know a bad cut. This was a pretty bad cut. Never give a sucker an even break. Yeah, you gotta get it if you want it back. All right, 2-2.
Still.
Go ahead, shoot it. Not enough room.
Not enough.
Wow, you stink. Ready, set, hut.
Ready, set, hot.
Hut.
Hut.
Yeah.
Still
Come and get it.
okay.
No, no, no.
You didn't put enough food on it.
Oh, not enough food on it. No. Yes. It hit right here. Fake them right. This is all on film, people. Ready? Over here.
My eyeball.
Yes. Your eyeball. Well, wait till I get 10. You'll be bawling. Yeah. You shot it. 4-2. The king.
I'm the king.
Not after this game.
This isn't the championship, though.
Oh yeah.
No, it's not.
I said it at the beginning. My ball.
No, you said like it was a championship.
Ready to watch me make it 6? Oh, I got it. Thank you.
It's not.
Nice pass, but watch it.
What was that?
Oh, you're lucky. I got it wrong.
You didn't put enough ink on it.
I put too much in mine.
I know.
Come here, let me slash it.
Please no. I don't know how I got a cut, but
Well, you know what? Don't even look at it. Don't do anything because you're not in pain. You're just being it. Good shot. Whoa, 4-4.
you shouldn't have let me have that.
Yep.
Oh, you can still get the ball back, didn't you?
Oh, I should have. No, what's your face? Oh. Oh. Yeah, whoa. No, off of me. Off of my massive chest.
Wow. This is funny.
Yeah, so funny. I do. You don't have your good shoes. Well, guess who's getting that one? I'll talk to your friend.
I have 100.
Hi. I am the king.
No, you're not.
Over here.
Wow, what a face out.
Yes! What a shot! 6-2. 4. It was just 4-4. I just said 4-4.
Now it's
6-4. And now it's still 6-4. Wait. That's something. Whoa, watch it. I'm on the horse.
Is that his horse?
Oh. Oh. Wait.
It's out.
Yeah, right. Oh.
We got to put it on the boom.
Oh my God.
Not enough boom.
Down here.
Not enough boom.
Not enough boom.
Right in the puddle.
Good shot.
Oh, God.
Oh. Look at that. I wasn't even in your way. 6-4 king. What? This is gotta be too easy. Watch this. Oh yeah. 8-4. The new king. Short.
The championship.
Wow, am I kicking ass.
I'm getting serious more now.
Oh, are you? All right, I'll just end it. Thank you. 10-4 over that.
I'm still the king.
Yeah, dream on.
No, I am.
He thinks he's the king after that tiny beating.
This wasn't the championship, though.
Oh well. Looks like it's getting foggy.
I know. All right, guys. Peace.